at the Dean Clinic, a couple of weeks ago, there was a lady had a little, it was a little boy about, he got the hiccups.
Oh.
Hmm?
Yeah.
He was about maybe a year old, and she put him on the floor, and he wasn't prone, but he would just lift himself up with his front arms and slide himself ahead, and he was just sliding like that, and I thought, man, that guy's really gonna have strong arms. He's just going all over the place like that. I thought, why you put him on that dirty floor, with all those sick people around?
Yeah. All right. Why don't
Yeah.
we
What do you
try to
do
get
for
around Dad here? And
what do you do for hiccups? You give her.
well, just she's kind of got to work through them.
Hmm?
Yeah. Yeah. Annabelle. She had them for a good 10 minutes or so the other day.
She does pretty good with them though. They don't.
Yeah.
So far, she doesn't get really upset when she has them.
Every time she has one, her